Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview Essential Syracuse Hot Tub. The Essential Hot Tubs Syracuse offers beauty and performance in an extremely accommodating interior layout. With featured amenities like LED waterfall, LED controls, and cabinet lighting, you can set the mood with a press of the button on the digital backlit display control unit, all while listening to your music through the Bluetooth-compatible sound system. With 51 stainless steel two-tone adjustable jets and 16 stainless steel jets powered by 3 high-performance pumps, including the 5 peak horsepower 2-speed, 5 peak horsepower 1-speed, and blower, you get equal power to all 5 bathing chairs. The finishing touch to the Syracuse by Essential Hot Tubs is its custom-designed cabinet with a heavy-duty insulated cover and steps for easy walk and convenience standard. Product benefits: ergonomic seating for 5-6, including 2 captain's chairs and a lounger. 4 kilowatt true all-season stainless steel Balboa heater for year-round enjoyment. Pair your device to the Bluetooth sound system for relaxation or entertainment. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.